eyes and pimples should not be concealed the same way, and here's why and how to fix that. The best way to cover things up is with color theory. For something purple or blue, you're gonna wanna use something orange or yellow because that's gonna be opposite of each other. So I like kind of just taking this kind of like peachy kind of shade here. And we're just going to take a little bit because we don't necessarily want to provide coverage. We're just trying to neutralize the color. When covering up my acne, I always like to take an account of what kind of color is popping through. These two little guys right here, they were more cystic, so they broke underneath the skin, so they're a little bit more purple. I'm actually going to take that same color that I used under my eyes and put a little bit on there. That'll help cancel out that purple. And then as far as everything else, it's going to be a little bit more red, so I'm going to take this kind of green shade right here because red and green are going to be opposite of each other. If you still have a couple little guys popping through, that's where concealers can really help providing extra coverage that your foundation couldn't. I really like using the NARS Pot Concealer because it's more of a mattifying concealer, so it gives really good coverage. I take more of like a hydrating concealer because this under eye area is super thin. I don't want something super matte and super heavy to sit under there. And then I always like the less is more approach. I'm just going to do a little bit on the inside and then a teeny bit on my outer corner, and then I'll blend it out with a beauty blender. Then I like to set my under eyes with a loose powder. The one from Huda Beauty is my favorite. And now you know how to cover up those pesky little friends and give yourself a nice, good, bright under eye.